Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. Happy Friday. Now, we have the NASDAQ levels on the Morning Express going forward at a popular demand. Any questions, give us a call. Now, the S&P is moving higher. Equity markets, you're getting a strong move here with risk sentiment favorable. The U.S. and China trade talks coming into the picture next week, but also news that lower-level delegates are going to start to meet on Monday or will arrive in Washington on Monday to lay the groundwork for those higher representatives later in the week on Wednesday and Thursday. Now, this started a strong session, but it also got a tailwind from Wall Street Journal reports that the Fed is considering a wind down of QT. You've seen the dollar react, you've seen gold react. But first, you got the S&P today. It moved out above major three-star resistance. Now, we've talked about this level being a big level on the week, and if it got out above there, you're really going to get a tailwind to our next major three-star level, 2671.50. That's what we had, and we said this was the crucial level in the day. We said that in the Morning Express. It hit it directly, pulled back about 7 to 8 points. That was the trade if you were ever looking to short today. That was the spot. Now we're just kind of consolidating. 2662 to 2666 is our sort of point of stabilization. If you're going to be a day trader, you're looking for short-term swings, 2653, 2656 now is that spot to be a buyer on the first test. That was the major three-star resistance on the way up. It is the now support on the way down. Now as well, if you're looking at Sunday night, our momentum indicators will probably rise to align with that level Sunday night. Again, so you have a probability of a trading opportunity against that. But overall, what's moving this market is FOMO. I mean, you're seeing the participants, whether it's portfolio managers, just traders, investors, what they're looking at is a fear of missing a move higher. And the move higher would come from U.S. and China trade talks. What if there's a deal? What if the government reopens? What if the Fed is more dovish? We're seeing all of this play into price action, and that is moving the market higher. But we have a major four-star resistance way overhead, and we think that's going to keep the market in check. We're looking for that to get tested and to be a tremendous sell opportunity if it is tested. You know, give us a call if you want to talk in more detail on that. You're seeing crude oil back off the highs, first key resistance, and now we have first key support. We've defined it in the Morning Express. Check out those levels, but until we break out of that range, ultimately we're going to consolidate, and it's going to be sort of the tail wagging the dog on risk sentiment. It's going to follow what the equity markets may do here unless we get some fresh news, whether it's OPEC or production. But again, you know, next week we had the inventory data coming into the picture, and we had another composite build, a massive build, but the market shook it off with what's going on more broadly. And then lastly here, you got the dollar, you got gold moving pretty big here today. Gold ripped higher on that as the Wall Street Journal reports started to gain more traction this morning with the Fed considering the wind down of quantitative tightening. But gold testing 1300. We talked about in the Morning Express. Look for that to get tested. That's a level to take advantage of and take some profits on this if you chase it higher. Even if you chase it higher at 1290, you're catching about $10 on this move. So watch that 1300. But ultimately, though, this is a very, 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 very healthy daily bar for gold. And I would not be surprised to see 1313, 1320. The only reason it would take it a little more cautious here is options expiration on Monday, and options expiration with 1300 right there may keep that level a cap on the market. So keep that in mind. But give us a call. We're here to talk about anything on the board. 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. You can check our website for updates, and you can sign up for a free trial of our research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. It is not suitable for all investors. Thank you.